Do you know where all of your tools or equipment are? Have you experienced productivity delays due to lost or missing equipment? Are you sick and tired of writing checks to replace lost, stolen, or hoarded inventory? Then you need to unleash the ToolHound. Since 1985, ToolHound have been helping companies just like yours implement our industry-leading tool and equipment management system, ToolHound 5. Paper and spreadsheet-based systems don't provide the reliability, accuracy, and reporting capabilities that ToolHound does. With ToolHound, you'll finally have complete control over your tools. ToolHound 5 is a flexible system that allows you to manage your inventory with cloud or self-hosted software. You'll be organized in no time. Not only will you be able to manage your tools more efficiently, our customers experienced significant cost savings in loss prevention, reduced inventory audits, and increased productivity, all while providing the end user with real-time visibility into where their tools are, who has checked them out, when they next need to be serviced, and if required, how to bill for their usage. ToolHound pays for itself within the first few months, and the ToolHound technical support team was rated as the #1 reason why customers chose ToolHound. So what are you waiting for? Call ToolHound today for your free, no-obligation demo at 1-800-387-8665 or visit www.toolhound.com